In this video, we're going to be talking about the heated seat problem in this Cadillac SRX. So when you go to use the heated seat, if you push the button, it seems like it's coming on pretty good, and then it just shuts off. No matter how many times you do it, it just shuts off. If you try the passenger side, it does the same thing. Light comes on for about 5 seconds or less, and then it shuts off. So we scan tested the vehicle, and in the memory seat control module, we actually had no codes. Not all scan tools can do this. If you have a higher end scan tool, then you can check. The reason why we're looking at the memory seat control module is because that's the brain or the computer that controls the heated seats, and it's located under the seat on the driver's side. So if you look under the seat, it's kind of hard to get to, but it's located right here. There's this black box right here that some wires are connected to. Even with the seat all the way up, it's not easy to access the connectors. So actually easier to access is the connector to the seat. So you just move the driver's seat all the way to the front, and then take a trim tool, just get underneath the connector right here. This is under the carpet, you just lift up. Just slide the connector out. All right, now what I'm gonna do is disconnect the connector, and this is basically gonna reset the computer. So just like your computer at home, if you're using your computer and there's a lot of faults and you have to reboot the computer, sometimes you have to reboot the computers in the vehicle. So we'll leave this disconnected for about a couple minutes, and then we'll plug it back in. And now it's been over 2 minutes. We went a little more. We went about 5 minutes. And just slide this in position and lock it back in place. And then you can push this little push pin tab back in here. Like that. Cover that up. All right, so now let's check it. Let's start the vehicle and then test it. And the heated seat is on. And as you can see, it's still staying on. Try the passenger side as well. So resetting the module actually fixed it. So this may be a temporary fix, or it could fix it for good. There was definitely a glitch in the system, and like most computers, sometimes they just have to be reset. Now, if it comes back again, the problem where the heated seats aren't working, most likely that module, that memory seat control module, has to be replaced. And those generally have to be reprogrammed by a dealer. So it's been about 5 minutes. These seat heaters are nice and warm. They're still working. So if you enjoyed this video, or if it helped you out, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.